Today, I will demo how to enter into a deferred sales pool contract in LoadNet. First, navigate to cbh.com.au and select LoadNet from the top. This will take you to the CBH LoadNet login page. Enter your personal access number, followed by your password. Once on the home screen, follow the menu to Contracts and select Pricing and Contracting from the drop-down. Once here, it will default to view the cash contracting. Beside contract type, toggle to select Pool. If Pool is not available in the drop-down, it'll indicate that the pool product is currently not available. I have now selected my season as 2022-23. Contract type is pool, and the pool product I have selected is the Deferred Sales Guaranteed Access contract. The blue text indicates it is available for selection. I'm going to proceed with entering a wheat guaranteed access contract in Kwinana. From here, I will now enter my tonnage, keeping in mind that in some instances, a contract tonnage limit may apply. The payment method for me today will be distributions. And continue. I will now review the highlighted text to ensure that I'm comfortable with my selections, my account number and account name, the commodity, season, tonnage, the contract has zero tolerance, the delivery window, and the port, as well as my preferred payment method. I have read and agree to the terms and conditions and acknowledge by selecting the checkbox. These drop-downs enable me to preview the terms and conditions applicable to this pool. This pool product has 2 documents attached. I will now submit my contract. Upon submission, I'm provided a contract number here in red, which I will note down. A copy will also be emailed to your registered email address with a copy of the contract and applicable terms and conditions.